All right, let's just get right into it. So many of us are still using ChatGPT in the most basic way possible, right? You ask a question, you get an answer. It's fine. But what if I told you you're basically leaving its most powerful feature on the table? A feature that could genuinely change your entire work week.
Yeah, that's the number we're talking about. Over 40 hours a week. I'm not kidding. That's an entire work week's worth of time that you could get back. And all it takes is moving past that simple little chat box and really unlocking what this thing can do.
And this right here, this is the core of it. We all know the stuff on the left, right? The endless research, the mind-numbing data entry, cobbling together presentations. It's just the grind. That's the old way. Now, look to the right. Agent automation. This is the new way, where you write one smart prompt and it just handles the entire complex job for you.
So, this really is a total mindset shift. We need to stop thinking of this as just a chatbot. Think of it more like you're the manager and you're about to get a whole team of brilliant, specialized AI assistants that are ready to work for you 24/7. Okay, so what is a ChatGPT agent really? Well, it's definitely not your standard chatbot. It's way more. It's an AI assistant that you can give actual tools to. Like access to a web browser to do live research, a code interpreter to crunch numbers, even a file system to organize its work. It's not just talking anymore, it's doing.
I love this quote because it's the perfect way to think about it. It's like giving ChatGPT hands. Suddenly, it's not just a brilliant brain stuck in a box. When you turn on agent mode, you're giving it arms and legs to go out into the digital world and actually work for you. It can do stuff, not just talk about stuff.
Okay, so you're probably thinking this sounds complicated to set up, but honestly, it's not. It's actually super simple. Let's just walk through how you flip the switch on this thing. Seriously, it's just 2 steps. First, you do need a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription. Then, once you're logged in, just find the Tools drop-down menu in your chat. You'll see an option for Agent Mode or something similar that lets you use these advanced tools. Click that, and boom, you're done. You're now in command. Just a quick heads up, though. There are some limits. If you're on Plus, you get about 40 of these agent tasks a month. Pro users get a lot more, around 400. The takeaway here is pretty simple. Make each task count. You don't want to waste them on little experiments. Use them for the big, time-consuming stuff.
All right, so you're all set up. Now for the fun part. Let's meet your new team. Think of it like you've just hired 3 incredible specialists. We're going to call them the analyst, the strategist, and the creator.
First up, we've got the analyst. This is your data wizard, your numbers genius. Anytime you're staring at a spreadsheet and your eyes are glazing over, this is the agent you call. And look at how this works. It's incredible. You just give it a boring, raw data file, like an Excel sheet or a CSV with some customer numbers. The analyst then goes to work. And what comes out the other side isn't just a bunch of charts. It's a full-on report with actionable insights, trend analysis, and even slides ready for an executive summary. And get this, the impact is just massive. A single task like this can replace around 8 hours of you manually grinding away in Excel. Think about that. That's a whole workday, just gone. Automated in a matter of minutes. Next up on the team is the strategist. This is your big picture thinker, the one you go to for research, for planning, and for keeping a close eye on what your competition is up to. And this is where things get really wild. You can literally just give it a topic for a presentation, and it will go out, research it live on the web, and come back with a complete, ready-to-go slide deck. Or here's another one. Give it your competitor's website address, and it'll watch it for you, sending you alerts whenever they make a change. Insane, right? And last but certainly not least, let's meet the creator. This agent is your engine for bringing ideas to life. It's all about building, writing, and making things fast. You just feed the creator a simple idea, and it just takes off. Say you need a blog post, it'll research it and write a whole article for you, even optimized for SEO. But this is the part that blows my mind. You can give it a simple idea for an app, and it will actually design a user interface and build you a working prototype. We're talking about going from idea to working model in minutes, not weeks, not months, minutes. Okay, so you've met the whole team. Pretty powerful, right? Now, how do you actually put them to work? Let's get into a super simple playbook for launching your first mission. It's a really easy 4-step plan. Number 1, start small. Don't try to boil the ocean here. Just pick one task, the one that drives you crazy, and give it to the right agent. 2, when a prompt works great, save it. Build yourself a little library of your best prompts. 3, start weaving these agents into how you already work. And finally, step 4, automate the automation. That's right, set these jobs to run on their own, daily, weekly, whatever you need.
So, everything we just walked through, this isn't just about a few cool AI tricks. This is a glimpse into a totally new way of working. It's a genuine, fundamental shift in what productivity even means. And that's really the most important thing to take away from all this. While everyone else is still stuck in the weeds, manually building presentations and staring at spreadsheets, you now know how to automate that entire process. This goes way beyond just being more efficient. This is a massive competitive advantage.
So I'm just going to leave you with this one thought. Right now, think of your single most annoying, time-sucking task at work. You know the one you put off every single week. Now, what if you could take what you just learned, sit down, write one good prompt, and just automate it? Forever, starting today?